Okay, today we're here at Knott's Berry Farm, and I went to what's it called, the Churro Factory, and got the Comet's pumpkin cheesecake stuffed churro for $8. So it's stuffed on this end. There's this whipped cream with sprinkles, and then also there's I think maple syrup. No. So let's see. Oh, everything's falling off. It's not quite as bad as usual. A little bit stale, but inside is still a little bit chewy. Not chewy, but you know what I mean. It's not hard on the inside. Let's see. Yeah, the filling is pumpkin cheesecake tasting. A little bit messy. Oh, there's also sugar, cinnamon sugar on it. So when you get a churro at the Churro Factory, it can sometimes be a crapshoot whether you get a stale one or a nice fresh one. So go at your own risk. They also have just regular churros, no stuffing. They have different fillings for the stuffed churros. And then there's a churro sundae where they have churro on both sides and then ice cream in the middle and then drizzled with chocolate sauce. So if you feel like having a churro, this was $8. Your past discount will apply. So you can try it out. I think I'm actually going to rate this a B, because the churro's not as stale as usual. The pumpkin filling is really good. I like it. They gave me a lot of whipped cream, which seems to be falling off. So maybe get a spoon or something afterwards. You can scoop it up. But please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell, and then click on all to get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.
On the pastor side is